Toyota and Suzuki are the latest to join the list of growing companies to put up a vehicle assembling plant in Ghana. So Ghana and vehicle manufacturing are old concubines. We started together at the birth of a nation in the 1960s. We were already producing and manufacturing cars in Ghana. And then, as is often the case, we dropped the ball and then we lost out on that opportunity. About 2 or 3 years back, however, the country put together the Ghana Automotive Development Policy. Among this was to give companies who are willing to produce in Ghana some tax breaks up to about 10 years, incentives on loans, import duty exemptions and stuff like that. And that was the entailment of that policy. Moments later, the then Chancellor of Germany, Angela Merkel, was in Ghana to broker a deal with the government to secure a place in this ever-growing marketplace for German manufacturing giants like VW and the like.
With us will be companies that are here to sign that agreement: Bosch, VW.
The Germans are not here particularly just to offer some aid to Ghana or to some other African states. This time around, the European market for cars is saturated and they are looking for a potential market that they could exploit and develop. So this is, if you want, a win-win situation for both Europe and for Africa, particularly for Ghana, because they have the opportunity to set up here in Africa and we are yearning to have and to produce our own vehicles locally. 2 years after this policy was put in place, VW was here to set up a vehicle manufacturing plant. We are reliably informed that the Chinese manufacturing giant of trucks, VW and Sinotruck, is also assembling vehicles in Ghana as well. 2 weeks ago, the Japanese manufacturing giant Toyota, alongside with Suzuki, are the latest to set up their operations here in Ghana. All of this is well and good, but the question we ask is, can the average Ghanaian be able to purchase any one of these locally produced vehicles? And what is the average output of these companies combined? We are already aware that here in Ghana, for instance, about 150,000 vehicles are imported every year, and majority of these vehicles, about 90%, happens to be used cars.